To display specific category on homepage, you can find and install PapaTheme widget on BigCommerce store. After you install the application, go to Page Builder, find Product Feed widget. This widget will help you display the category which you want on the homepage. First, you need drag and drop widget on corresponding position. In the first field, type or paste your category URL on this. You can rearrange the product's display by using Sort By. To limit the number items, display check on Limit Number of Products. You can pull the limit bar or input the specific number that you want to limit. If you want to choose and select specific product for your list to display on homepage, PapaTheme provide your other solution, which is Product List widget. You can also find it in Custom widget and drop the widget on corresponding position. Click Add Product and select products you want to display. The widget also provides you ability to hide or show some elements such as product images, brand, price, SKU, product rating, add to cart and quick view button. If you use themes from PapaThemes, you can also hide and show the swatch option.